Hi, I'm Tricia, an organic gardener. I grow organically for a healthy and safe food supply, for a clean and sustainable environment, for an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Thank you for growing bare root fruit trees from Peaceful Valley Farm and Garden Supply and GrowOrganic.com. We stand behind our fruit trees and want to ensure the success of your fruit harvest. In addition to this video, we suggest that you also view selecting, ordering, and receiving your bare root trees. Provided that you've taken all the steps that are outlined in our product guides and on our website and product descriptions, we warranty that your fruit tree will leaf out. This does include potted pomegranates, figs, and almonds. This is a limited warranty, so please watch until the end of this video for all the details. In the rare event that your tree doesn't leaf out by May 15th, please call us or email us to document and notify us of your concern. We ask that you check the branches. They should be springy when bent. We also request that you do a scratch test like this above the graft. If there's green under the bark, the tree is alive. It may just be a late bloomer, and we ask for you to wait a little longer for it to wake up from dormancy. If you see nothing but brown, the tree is probably dead. If that's the case, we're going to ask you to dig up the tree, including all of its roots, and then we're going to ask that you take some pictures. We want to see close-ups of roots and the graft and long shots of the entire tree. 4 pictures should suffice. If we determine that the tree is not viable, we'll issue you a store credit, not a refund, for the price that you paid for the tree, excluding shipping. This store credit is redeemable toward the purchase of any other bare root item of your choice the following season. We reserve the right not to issue credit for replacement of already replaced items. Our tree grower offers replacement as long as they're notified by June 1st, which is why all claims must be submitted by June 1st for consideration. The exception is persimmons. Due to their tendency to bloom later, persimmon trees have a deadline of June 15th. Concerns received after these dates will be denied for credit. Another exception to our warranty are pecans. These trees are very temperamental and somewhat difficult to grow even in ideal situations, so accordingly are excluded from our limited warranty. Citrus, avocados, and olives are evergreen and will be shipped to you with their leaves and quite possibly with some fruit, and are therefore excluded from our dormant replacement warranty. Please check out our series of videos about fruit tree care and maintenance. Wishing you all the success with your orchard, and grow organic for life.